So welcome to the Palencia modern farmhouse. This model home is currently for sale right now and it's 1,299,925. 5-bedroom, 4.5 and 3-car garage. And this model home, everything is included, including the furniture, the fixtures, and the stainless steel appliances. So welcome to the Palencia, you guys. Right outside, there's a lockbox right here for your package. And right by the door is the keyless entry. And welcome to the Palencia. As soon as you get in, you will see this beautiful open foyer, nice ceiling. You will see your open layout area far ahead. This is a model home, but it's for sale right now, so everything that you see here is included, including the furnitures, fixtures, stainless steel appliances. Right on the left side is the first bedroom. The side right here with the walk-in closet right here. Again, in this room, the furnitures are included. And this is the bathroom right here inside this room. And this side, right guys, is the powder room. And then there's another space over here that you can use as an office. Again, the built-in shelvings, desk is included, and fixtures. We are going to your open layout area. This is your nice living room. The gas fireplace is also included. Furniture and everything that you see here is included with purchase on this house for 1,299,995. Right here is your modern kitchen. Very nice. All the stainless steel appliances included. Okay, you guys, this is your modern kitchen. Right here in the middle is your waterfall island with the farmhouse sink in the middle. Again, all the stainless steel appliances included: refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwaves are included with the purchase in this house. Right here, this is your dining area. Also, the furnitures are included. This side is an office. Everything that you see here is also included. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you your backyard. It's already pre-landscape. The built-in barbecue is included. There is a spa, and the swimming pool on this side. This is a nice area, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Okay, you guys, let's go back inside and check the rest of the house. And right here, I'm gonna show you guys the pantry. And this door is a 3-car garage. Unfortunately, it's locked, so I cannot show you. Okay, let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. As soon as you land on the second floor, you will see this nice loft area. Again, everything that you see here is included. Furnitures, fixtures, all the appliances are included in the price because they're selling this model home right now. This is the wine wet bar. Right here is your primary bedroom. Again, in this room, everything is included, furnitures and fixtures. Love the built-in shelvings. And this side is your bathroom. Before we go there, this is the walk-in closet. Tons of space in this room. And right outside, you can see your laundry area. Washer and dryer is included in the price. Now let's go check your primary bath. Okay, you guys, that's your walk-in shower right there. Area is huge. They added a sitting area right here. Dual sink vanity. I love the white cabinets. And right there is your private water closet. Now let's go check the rest of the bedroom, the other side. Okay, this is the first bedroom right here. Again, the furnitures and the fixtures in this room is included with the price. In this room, there is a bathroom, dual sink in it, shower area, toilet, and right on this side, there is another bedroom. Again, all the furniture that you see here is included. There is a standard closet inside. All in all, there's a tons of space in this second floor. There's another bedroom over here. Also, furnitures are included and the fixtures. Okay, you guys, this is the Palencia model home that's currently on sale right now. Price at $1,299.95. It's 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and 3-car garage. If you are interested in owning this model home that's currently on sale, you can reach out to me. at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching my video.